global IPO market is having a very good year indeed, with so many companies choosing to go public. And this is, of course, especially true for the US, which is getting ready for the biggest listing, the big Alibaba IPO. Now, better economic conditions and strong demand from investors have made 2014 a record year for public listings in general. And Tracy Tandon has those details.
Bankers and investors across the U.S. have been enjoying a bumper crop of deals in 2014. The U.S. IPO market is setting a record this year. It's had the highest IPO volume since the heydays of the dot-com era in 2000. According to a report by Renaissance Capital, the second quarter has been the most active IPO quarter in the U.S. in 14 years. 83 companies went public, raising a total of $21 billion. Experts say rallies in U.S. stock markets are encouraging firms to go public.
If the old rule is to buy low and to sell high, companies that would like to issue shares to the public recognize that multiples are high, that the Dow Jones Industrial Average is selling at all-time highs, and this is probably a good time to enter the market and get those higher prices for their shares.
It's not just U.S. firms that are going public. Foreign companies also want to cash in on all the action, including Chinese firms. So far, 10 Chinese companies have gone public in the U.S., the highest tally in 4 years, and that is further fueling investor appetite.
Nothing builds investor confidence like an extended bull market. Warren Buffett says that Americans are funny. They hate stocks when they're cheap, and they love them when they're expensive. But when people have been making money for several years in a row in the stock market, as they have been lately, their appetite for risk increases because their experience with loss is forgotten. So it's been a while since we've had a stock market correction, and yes, new ideas, innovative ideas, and particularly stocks that are accessing the internet and technology stocks are very, very attractive.
The robust IPO market and investor hunger for internet and technology stocks is setting the stage for Alibaba's expected record-setting public listing. Some sources say investor demand for Alibaba has been so strong that the IPO is oversubscribed. Tracy Tandon, CCTV, New York.